Hello friends, welcome. This is Sarveshwar and in this video we'll discuss what is panel data and why do we need to use that. Okay friends, so first of all uh, panel data, why do we need to use panel data? The simple and easiest answer is we have more information because we are having more degree of freedom. Suppose for one country we are having only 20 observation, but if we include 10 countries we are having 200 observation. That means we are having more information, more variation and more degrees of freedom to run a regression to get more efficient results. And now we come to the question, what could be the equation for that? So this it is very simple equation friends. Y is a function of x and x1 and x2. If y is a dependent variable and x is our independent variables. E is our random error term with the normal 0 1 distribution and beta 1 is a constant. So now here was one thing, we are having two index, we are having one index is I, second index is T. So how to differentiate between them? So I, here I have mentioned here friends, I is 1 to n. This is for cross section. Suppose we are having data for 6 countries. So these 6 countries, firms, state, individuals are our cross sections. They are from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In a similar way, here another index is T, that is a time. Time is from 1 to T. T is the number of years for which, a number of years or any other time frequency for which we are having data. Suppose we are in data for 15 years, then we would say here frequency of T is 15. Now frequency is yearly data. It could be monthly, per minute, per second, whatever you have friends. So for each cross section, how many time series data we have, that is T. So friends, here indexing we need to remember for our purpose IT. I is from 1 to n is total number of cross section and time is T to T. T is our time series index and capital T is number of total time series observation we are having here. And then we come to what kind of panels we might have. So first thing of panel data we discuss is panel data as balanced. That is mostly used in literature. Balanced panel data. When we say friends, T is same for all the n. Suppose we have 6 cross sections and for each cross section we are having same number of time series observations like 15. So it is a balanced panel. And next one is unbalanced panel data when the T is not same for all n. For one we are having 10 years, for one we are having 15 years data, that is unbalanced panel. Then we come to long and short panel. Long panel when the T is more than n. Suppose the time series observation we are having is more than number of cross sections, then that is a long. So it's a very simple way friends. We put the years. So if years number of observations we are having are more than cross sections, it is long panel. And opposite to that, if cross sections are more than time series data points, that is short panel. And for analyzing the panels, we could use Stata, eViews, RStudio, and any other software you might use, friends. But the simplest one is RStudio, that is free, and others are Stata, eViews. Stata is highly used software for panel data. So this is the basic introduction, friends. And in other videos, in next videos of mine, I would be showing how to use panel data and how to do the head all other diagnostics on them. Keep watching. Thanks, friends.